Hey everyone, this is Will with the RV Wholesaler Service Department. Today I'm going to be going over what exactly your shower miser is, what it does. So what this system is designed to do is prevent the waste of water. So whenever you get water on your unit and you're first starting out, the water in your hot lines are going to be cold. So what this does is when you turn this on, it's going to recirculate that water back into your fresh tank. So what that does is, rather than you running this until it gets hot, running it right down your drain, that's a waste of water, waste of space in your tanks. It's going to circulate that back through there. And if you take a look just right over here, this little blue angle in here, this little guy right here is blue because it's cold. So once you have this in the on position, that water is recirculating. What this does, it's going to trap the hot water in here. Once it does get hot enough for you to use, this will turn gray. So once this is gray, you'll kick that shower miser back in the off position. What that's going to do is that's going to start running your hot water through here. So you won't waste any water. So if you have any other questions on this system or how to operate it, just give us a call at 877-877-4494.